One of the best ways to work all of the different parts of the quadricep muscles is by doing leg press with a foot pad that is large like this and allows for you to put your feet into all sorts of different positions. What you should do is a set of leg press where you are changing your feet throughout the set, doing a high rep range, right? So you can do a couple reps in each position, or of course you could be doing multiple sets with them in each position if you want to do like a full day of leg pressing in a different position, or if you do an everyday full body workout or an upper lower split where you're working out legs multiple times a week, you can do a different leg press with a different foot placement every time you do leg press on a different day. But right now what I'm doing is leg press with different foot positions in the same set. So I'm doing like 20 to 26 reps. Not too heavy of a weight for me. So I'm going to start and do a couple with them in the normal position. Then I'm going to go in close. That's one of the hardest. And when you're doing some of these other positions, you really need to make sure you do not let your low back curl off of the seat. And that is especially going to happen when you're right here. So you need to know where that line is when you come down too far, because otherwise you can hurt your low back. Then I'm going to go out wide. That one again, you don't want to go fully like where your legs are going, you know, back to your chest. I'm going to go down low and wide. That one really works the quads. Low and close. I'm going to go high. This one you really have to make sure you do not let your back curl. I'm going to do high and wide. And then I'm going to go back to normal, do the rest of my set. So you can see that by the end of that set, I had a brutal quad workout. It's really recruited all of the different parts of the quad, okay? And the lactic acid burn is intense, okay? So yeah, by the end of that, I'm just dying, you know, it's gonna be hard to walk after that. So that's using advanced leg press variation to really optimize the leg press, to recruit all of the parts of the quad and really develop big quads and a lot of, you know, quad conditioning and strength for athleticism as well.